Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Git and VS Code are installed. Check Git version to confirm. Then sign into GitHub through VS Code's Accounts panel so credentials are available. Open the project folder you want tracked and run Initialize Repository from the Source Control view. Once done, stage files by selecting plus or stage also changes are ready. Commit with a clear message. This creates your first local snapshot and prepares you for linking to a remote GitHub. Next, create a repository on GitHub or pick an existing one to host your code. In VS Code, either use the Git UI to publish branch or run Git remote add origin URL in the integrated terminal to link remotes. Make sure your branch name matches the remote, then push with Git push u origin main or the appropriate branch. Once pushed, your commits are backed up remotely and visible on GitHub. Make sure to verify files on the website to confirm success. To continue, create feature branches with git checkout bfeature/name and commit often. Use the source control panel or terminal for merges. When ready, push your branch and open a pull request on GitHub to review changes. Once merged, delete the branch locally and remotely to keep things tidy. If something goes wrong, push rejected or conflicts. Fetch and pull the remote. Resolve conflicts in VS Code's editor using the inline actions, commit the merge. Then push again. This usually resolves sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.